Want to add custom text to your iPhone lock screen? Let's get started. Open the App Store and search for lock screen text apps. Once you find AI AnyText or any app you like, download it. Open the app and enter your widget text. For example, "Don't touch my phone." Choose your style. Choose preferred text alignment. Finish further customizations. Tap Get Started. Now go to your lock screen. Press and hold it to unlock customization. Tap Customize and choose your lock screen. Click Add Widgets. Choose any text app and tap on the suggested text. Your personalized text is now on your lock screen. You can always return to adjust the text style or placement as you like. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.